Hello friends! Today we are going to learn colors. Let's start with red. Look, this is the color red. Can you say it with me? Red. Now, let's see some red things. This is an apple. Apples can be red. Yummy! A strawberry. Strawberries are also red. Look at these cherries. They are red too. Oh, a red bell pepper. So bright. And here comes a red parrot. Wow, so colorful. Great job. Now, let's learn another color. Now, let's learn yellow. Say it with me. Yellow. Look, this is the color yellow. Here is a banana. Bananas are yellow. And this is a lemon. Lemons are bright yellow. Wow, a sunflower. Sunflowers are so big and yellow. Look at this tiny chick. It is yellow and fluffy. And here are some beautiful yellow flowers. Fantastic! You are doing amazing. Now, let's see the next color. Now, let's learn blue. Say it with me. Blue. This is the color blue. Let's find some blue things. A beautiful blue butterfly, so pretty. A little blue fish swimming in the water. Look, blue life ring, it helps us food. And here comes a blue toy car. Vroom, vroom. Great work, you are learning so fast. Let's see another color. Now, let's learn green. Can you say green? This is green. Let's look at some green things. Here is broccoli. It's green and super healthy. A green apple, so fresh and crunchy. Look, a little turtle. Turtles are often green. A lucky clover. If you find one, you are very lucky. And a green parrot, so cute and bright. Amazing! You are doing so well. Let's learn one more color. Now, let's learn orange. Say it with me. Orange. This is the color orange. Let's find some orange things. This is an orange. Oranges are orange. Here is a carrot. Rabbits love orange carrots. Look at this cute fox. Foxes have orange fur. A big pumpkin. Pumpkins are orange and fun for Halloween. And the basketball, it's orange too. Wow, you are amazing. You learned so many colors today. Great job, everyone. Today we learned red, yellow, blue, green, and orange. Let's say them one more time. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing your colors. See you next time. Bye bye.